everybody! We're here.
January snack rate.
Just need a touch up.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay.
Do I look okay?
You're good, yeah.
Oh, okay. Then there we go. You know, I'm perfect. Corbin's not. It's
Yep.
fine. Anyway, this is January snack rate. Saying the months now.
Oh yeah, facts. And it also says something about Amigo something. Well, it's
Uh-huh,
Brazil.
it's
Okay.
Brazil.
What did it
Casey's
say?
Brazil.
Something. What did it say about Casey? I
I
started
told
to write
you
it down.
Amigo.
is,
Amigo Casey.
Yeah.
Well, that means it's Portuguese.
Hey, I know that statue. That's like a famous statue. This one's not glossy, like the rest of the snack crate stickers.
Huh. Maybe they changed it from the year.
Maybe. But yeah, I know that statue.
I think everybody knows that statue.
I like the yellow and green.
Reminds me of bananas.
Oh, I love that feeling. God.
Oh, we didn't
What
take a
is
picture.
this?
It's fine.
Oh, it's just. Should we take a picture?
Yeah. Post it to our Instagram. Did you have to do that?
Casey, you got a better quality.
Yeah, Casey.
Go with your phone so you can take a picture.
Yeah, we need to take a picture.
It takes me a while.
I guess.
Well, come on! Are you trying to delete
No,
that?
picture of us.
This! We're trying to take a picture of this box.
Why do you want to take a picture of the box? It's a box.
To post to Instagram before it's.
Yeah.
You're so crazy. He kills me, honestly. I swear.
You gonna move?
Anyway, if I could, like, there we go.
That's
nice.
porn.
That is porn. Yes. Here. All right. Woo. Now that we're done with that, let's get into this. Corbin. Choose one.
Ooh, these look like those things that we just got, but
The
are
cupcake thing?
these are ice
Might
cream.
as well pull them out.
Yes, I'm already talking about them. Fini! Ice cream, sabors, moringo, lima, some other words I don't know.
Ooh, I always forget. All right. Sorry we butcher your language. Sorry about that.
Oh, I took a class.
Oh, yeah. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Junior year of high school.
No.
Okay, the bottom part, the cone, is really hard, but the top part's gummy.
It smells like ice cream.
I enjoy it.
When you first bite into it, it kind of tastes like Play-Doh.
Now the cone, again, it's just like those cupcakes from last month, where the base of the cupcake wasn't that good, but the icing part was good.
Like, when you first bite into it, it tastes like straight up Play-Doh. Honestly.
I don't know any of these languages, but I'm gonna go to need another one, so.
Just my language. It's Portuguese.
Oh, I'm gonna get us matching trash cans and slap our logo on it. So
Please.
you know.
Ruffles. Love it.
I can say that word.
Okay, you can say that one, yeah.
Oh, those look good. It's got an odd smell. Does it say the flavor?
No, I can't read it, so it's in Portuguese.
Nope.
Ew.
No, thank you.
It tastes like roast chicken. Like it tastes like a roast. It's really weird.
I'm gonna go with this because it has cheese.
Nice.
Torcida Junior. Sabor Cracio.
I don't think that's how you say it. Anyway.
Never.
Oh, they look like little Cheez-Its.
I can get behind these.
They taste like little Cheez-Its.
Yeah, I can get behind those. I just have to roll back.
A churro.
A churro?
Mm-hmm.
That looks good.
Why do you keep looking? Spoilers. Gosh.
Man, that is real good. We gotta get into this because I'm gonna keep eating these. Is it like ripping half? Is it gummy?
Kind of.
Hmm?
Kind of. You know? I don't think it'll ever rip. Here. Got the bigger half. Oh, your wish came true. Mine didn't. Sad.
I don't really like churros.
Your mom doesn't like churros.
I don't know if she does or not.
Exactly.
It's just not for me to take.
It does taste kind of weird.
Just eat some more of these real quick. I'm gonna go with these little candy things. 7 Bello.
Oh, sorry.
And it has a little trading card, or
It
not
has a
trading
little
cards,
playing
playing
card.
card on it. Oh yeah, I know I'm gonna love this.
What is this, gum? Jesus Christ.
Tastes like gum.
Well, it's not gum.
Same sabor from Bill's or something.
Is it supposed to be gum? And then you
It's hard.
just... Well, it was in the fridge.
Yeah, I don't
Maybe
know.
it was gum.
That's probably why.
It tastes like bubblegum, but, you know, I have messed up teeth, so we're not gonna do that.
If I would have done it the way you just did, like my jaw would have broken off.
Yeah, I kind of wonder why his teeth aren't fragile considering he grinds them 24/7.
Yeah. All the time.
You got me there.
Like, and he just broke into that, and it just, I can't. What is this? I'm intrigued. You good?
What is it?
Yet.
Shut up. Go down. We don't do that.
Edit it out.
What?
Edit it out.
Yeah.
Making my job harder.
Ooh.
I thought you were breaking more. So it's like strawberry on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
Talento Rechedo Marengo.
I'll just let Corbin butcher the name so that you guys can...
Oh, that's pretty good.
I really like this.
Yeah, that's good.
I almost caught it. Did not.
Yeah, I can go behind that.
We're probably gonna have to fight to the death for this.
Alright, these things look like little peanuts or something.
Oh no.
Paco Quita.
ate peanut butter. And it better not have peanut butter in it.
Looks like just straight peanut butter.
It's all peanut butter. I'm not eating it.
What is this?
It smells like peanut butter fudge.
It's literally just peanut butter, and it's not even fudgy. Like, it just tastes like peanut butter. Now I want peanut butter.
Peanut butter is gross.
That's pretty good.
Disgusting. Nasty. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Wanna say that?
Prestigio.
I love it. If I could open it, that'd be nice. Nice.
No, it's just coconut.
Yes.
Not even gonna try it. Because I
Okay,
know I'm
give
not
me that.
gonna like it. Because it's coconut. Yep.
It's a lot of coconut in there.
Mm-mm-mm. No thank you.
It tastes like a Mounds bar.
You taste like a mouse bar. Burn.
Thanks.
Why do you don't injure yourself?
Exactly.
You got me there.
Corbin's gay.
Shut up. octopus.
That's huge.
That's what she said.
That's what I said, though.
That is what you just said. Oh, you were saying that's not what you said about me. About me. Oh, isn't that cute? They're a little individually wrapped. Here you are.
Oh, look how cute this is. It's individually wrapped.
Casey? Eat up.
She didn't say what
Their food.
What is this?
I don't know. Smells good. Looks like white chocolate.
Wafers and white chocolate. Looks like a Kit Kat bar.
It's like wafer with white chocolate, right?
It's like white chocolate nutter butter.
There you go. Yep. Yeah.
I can't taste anything.
And you're wrong. Because it tastes like white chocolate nutter butter.
Without the peanut.
Taste anything.
What is this?
It's like a turd.
You got me there.
The texture tastes good, though.
The texture tastes good.
I guess. I don't know.
Ew.
What is that?
Ew.
What is it?
No. No thanks. It's peanut butter. I don't want it. Gross.
I'll take it.
It's got nuts in it. I'm gonna nibble in this.
Brazil, what's up with peanut butter and everything?
Is it coat and sugar?
Yes.
Fuck my diet.
This is it's got an alright taste, but the nuts in it is a turn off for me. But also, they're like soft.
Oh, I don't like that.
You don't like that? No. Yeah. I don't like it. So.
Two things left.
No.
I got crumb on
Yeah.
me. Pit stop. Or Cheeto. Misto
Cheeto.
Quinte. It looks like grilled cheese. Oh. There's a piece.
Nice.
That was gonna break easier. If I can even grab it.
These remind me of those, you know, those two crackers that they sell like in those packs with cheese and stuff in them?
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh my, that is real good.
They taste exactly like it too. Love it. Except better somehow.
Casey! What are you doing turning Marco around?
Shit.
Eesh. And last one.
Tacheo de Ubatu. Ubatu.
That's exactly how you say it. If anybody says it differently, they're wrong.
Back. What? What are you saying?
Nothing. I didn't do anything.
Great. This is great.
Here.
Oh. This looks too chocolatey.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Looks like brownie on the inside.
Isn't it? Because I'm here.
I don't know what this is exactly.
I don't know what this is either.
Pretty good. I mean, it's not terrible. I
No,
don't know.
it's
It's like
not bad. It's just weird.
It's a mushy inside with a hard, dark chocolate outside. I'm gonna be real. I think the pit stop thing's my favorite. Was these, but this pit stop thing's good too.
I do like this. Yeah.
Mmm.
I kind of like this just because it's a Mounds bar and I love Mounds bars. So,
No tenka yo.
well, nobody asked you. Alright? Damn.
Got me there. Mmm. Let's come get to them, sis.
The worst.
What?
Huh? Hello?
You not like it?
I can't taste anything.
Oh.
But the texture, I don't like.
Oh, what Cheetos? I'm sad.
Oh yeah. This is
Sure.
like where you can't taste
Up there.
anything. I hate
And then
that.
there's these things
Like
that taste like bacon.
Mmm.
There's like this weird
We didn't get any of this stuff. It's in the premium.
candy thing.
Premium.
But I
Premium.
don't like
It's in the premium box that we don't get. Cause yeah, are you good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. Stands cool.
I love how we always tear up these boxes like we're starving.
Well, I am.
Like we've never seen food before.
I haven't.
We're just
This is
tearing-
the first time.
I mean, you got me there. So.
My name's Orban,
Orban?
and so it's my twin brother Corbin who's in all these videos with you eating.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen food before.
You've never seen food before.
That makes the regular Corbin a crib.
A what?
A brick.
A grip? Grip? Oh, yeah.
ABB.
Yeah, something like that. Whatever. Gang gang, you know what I'm saying?
Hi.
Casey,
Hey,
we're
Corbin.
gonna start our food stuff channel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
Why?
only gonna order healthier food
That doesn't sound good.
so we don't break it.
I mean,
Getting warm. I need my beach.
And until next time, crop out the ceiling.